Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on the second layout that I got done at the crop the 1st of June. And I brought like 20 page kits with me and I got 11 of them done, so not too bad. So this second layout here took me 43 minutes to complete. I end up putting two photos on the layout. One photo is 4x4 and the other one is 2x2. I am going to cut a strip of those banners because I think they're so gorgeous. But in the end, I don't find that they really fit the aesthetics of this page because everything else is more like muted, and then you have those bright banners. They're going to stay on the layout for quite a while, but at some point I'm going to take them off. So I cut down the photo to 4x4 and then the other one to 2x2, and right away I just cut two mats, one at 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, the other one by 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. I cut that piece of paper. I'd say it's about, I don't know, 7x9 or 8x9 or something like that. It's just a nice size that fits on the layout. And then I end up cutting a strip of pattern paper, which is about an inch by 6 or 7 inches. And I am going to try so hard to use those banners. I will use them on another layout because I really like the banners. I just didn't find they went with this, which is fine. Sometimes you try to make something work and it just doesn't. So you just move on and, go with something that does work. And I think it would have been okay if I would have kind of just done this and no embellishments. I think it would have been okay. But once I start adding embellishments, which, some of them are from our collection for digital files, and the store is always linked in the description box below. And I mentioned that before, that every time I don't mention our store, I always have someone that says, where did you get those digital files? So my son and I, he's the artist and I just use them. So we have from viewfinders to 1.5 inch circles to butterflies to gnomes to now we have collections, summer collections, and they're all digital for now. Real soon we're going to start selling physical products. So I'm going to be, printing some of these and putting them into collections. So that's coming, I'm hoping, by September. But for now, digital files are there. If you've never tried our stuff, I have a code in the description box below. It's just fresh and you get to try them out for 50% off. Now, I had wished I had gotten 20 pages done, but I'm really happy with the 11. Really happy with that. It had been quite a while since I had gone to a crop where there's, a lot of people, and I don't want to say it's distracting, but it's distracting in the way, it's a good way, because you want to try and listen, to what people are saying. You want to try to a little bit participate, which when I'm going this fast, a lot of times I'd be like, oh my goodness, I didn't talk to anybody for like 45 minutes. So while I was cleaning up, I would talk a little bit to my friend Karen or talk to the people that were, at the other table. And sometimes I just get hyper focused. I tend to be, or to have that personality that I hyper focus. So I have a task and I hyper focus on it until I am done. But the fact that I got 11 pages done, and it took me an hour to set up, and we left an hour before we were done. So really we were there for 10 hours. So I got more than one page done an hour. And I think that's good. It's really good. Plus I had a friend that I hadn't seen in forever. She stopped in and we chatted forever. And it was so good to see her again. So, no regrets. Got lots done. I'm hoping that I can go again at the end of August. I should be able to. Hockey's not starting till September. But I think the day ones, if his hockey games are in Moncton, I can go, to the crop and then go to his hockey game and then go for the rest of the day. I can maybe do that. Or if his hockey game is at 9 o'clock in the morning, then I can go after. I think I can make it work. So this is where I was like, you know what? This thing has to go. It didn't really go with the rest of the layout. So I end up cutting a piece of brown cardstock. And now that just feels like, yes, this is exactly what it needed. It needed to be toned down a little bit. I was going to use the dark brown, and then when I flipped it over to put glue on it, I'm like, you know what? I kind of like that yellowish, tannish color even more. So I end up using that instead. It was a little short, so I'm going to do a little bit of a surgery here. I'm going to cut another piece and put it where I want it to go, and then I'm going to put the other piece over top. And you can't tell that much. It's fine. I mean, you can tell a little bit, but that's fine. So the next thing I need to do is cut out the letters for my title, which a lot of my letters, these are digital letters. I put them through my brother's scan and cut, and it cuts the letter out. Not perfectly, but good enough. But this sheet here was before I was doing that, and it only takes a few minutes. I just go through, cut out the letters, and I print my letters on sticker paper so that at least once I have them cut out, I just have to peel the backing and then I just glue my title, which in this case, it's just going to be family favorite. I guess it's not family favorite, but family fave. So at this point, I just sped up the video just a little bit because it's just me gluing down the letters. And after that, the layout is pretty much done. I did cut out all my digital files before I went to the crop. So at the very top there, you can see I have some of our butterflies. I even put foam tape already on them. So I'm just going to take the foam tape away. I'm going to put the butterflies where I think they should go. And then I'm going to take a pen and do the flight of the butterfly. And this page is done. So if you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.